Hi, I'm Mr. Franklin. Today we're going to look at how to set up our composition book and how to take focus notes. For our composition book, we're going to look at the outside cover, inside cover, what goes on the first page. We are going to take some notes, and then we're going to talk about what is this for and what is this not. So, on your outside cover, go ahead and put, that's my name, but put your name and what class period you have, and the course we are in is conceptual physics. Once you have that, then on the inside front cover, put your name, the block, conceptual physics. Also, if you would please, go ahead and write the computer number that I've given you. And then this is my email address at school, so go ahead and put that down so you can, if you need to email me about classwork, you can do so. So, focus notes is also known as Cornell notes, are going to look like this. On the next slide, I'm going to go into more detail on where this actually goes, but this is just an overview of your notes that we're going to be setting up today. So the first page in your composition book is going to have this generic guide to how we're going to do notes. Okay, so the top section is really a lot about setting it up, and then we're going to talk about what it means to actually take notes, and then at the end we're going to have a summary reflection. Okay, so this right here is going to go in the first page of your notebook. This is blurry, and I know you may not be able to read it, so in the next couple of slides I've got these blown up so you can actually read them. But I want you to notice a few things. This tops, you need to write these things as you go. It's not a set number of, like, it's not always 3 lines. It might be 4 lines, it might be 5 lines for this question, depending on how long they are. But for this first page, just go ahead and do 3 lines, draw your line across, and then you're going to come down here and about a third over, see where it says about a third of the page, you're going to draw a line down and you're going to save, I would probably actually save 4 lines. Now if you write really big, you might need to save 5 lines, okay? But draw a line across and then draw a line down, okay? And then we're going to fill in these areas with these items. So on the next slide, we have what those actually say. So if you need to pause it and write those down, you can. So this right here is what goes on the left-hand column. Talks about leaving this place blank because we're going to come back and use this later. And then this right here is where we're actually going to take notes. And I'm going to teach you a bunch of different methods, so write these words down. At the bottom, you're going to have a summary and or a reflection. So this can be a little challenging to figure out how much space to leave. So at the end of your notes, not at the bottom of every page, you're going to have a summary reflection. Okay? I'm going to show you this in a second, but this is the first page. So yes, at the bottom of the first page, you should have your summary reflection at the bottom. Okay? All right. Once you get that set up, then we will take notes on the 5 phases of the note-taking process.